Hi YouTube friends, welcome to the Saw Shack. Another night of tinkering. Someone requested a video on the Castor 330, this beauty that I got from Muffler Delete 101. This has been a fun little saw. There's more interest in it. Someone requested, I can't remember, and I'm sorry that I can't remember, and I didn't write it down and whatever, but anyway, here it is. About the brake assembly, how it goes together. I don't think I'm going to tear it apart, but I'm going to attempt to video to show how it goes together. When it's all the way together is what it's supposed to look like. I'm no good at it, but how do you get better at something? If you want to get better at it, how do you get better at it? You do it, right? You just keep trying. Keep trying. I don't know. Maybe I'll figure it out. As far as the video part goes, you know. So, yeah. Anyway, I hope everybody's doing great. I know there's a lot of flooding going on, a lot of rain stuff going on, and a lot of dry weather and fires and all kinds of business going on. It's just kind of crazy. But, you know, that's life. That's, you know, that's how the world works. Constant change. Things changing. So, yeah. For all the flooding folks in Germany and everywhere else, thoughts and prayers going out to them, for sure. So if you know somebody down there, send a little bit of love their way. Oh, he's got my spirit fire going back there, see? Yeah. I think a lot about everybody in this community when I come out in this saw shack. I think about everybody all the time, but especially when I get around the saw shack and the, you know, all that business. I hope everybody liked the song. Yeah, that was fun. That is fun. I'm sure there'll be more to come on that deal. I'm hoping. Yeah. It's dry here. Dry and hot. We're supposed to get, well, it was in the forecast anyway, we're supposed to get some thunderstorms, which the rain is great if we get any rain, but we usually don't get enough rain to with it this time of year to cancel out the fires that come from the lightning and all that. Yeah, so I'm just kind of tinkering and rambling tonight. Just, yeah. Got a lot on the go. Pretty busy. Working and cutting firewood. Can't cut firewood in the National Forest now. But you still can on private land. So we get lucky and look for a little bit of that every once in a while. Sure was fun getting the Ford going too. I like the saw shack. I can just kind of, you know, go back and just kind of sit here and kind of mellow out and think about everything, past videos and stuff like that, and kind of talk about it. Oh yeah, don't forget, Smokey. It's fire season. Gotta have my Smokey shirt on. Right, Jay Daniels? That's right. That's right. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, don't forget. Don't forget to get your Soldiers of Kindness hat, shirt, sweatshirt. Get over there to Buck and Billy Ray. Yep. Go help Buck and Billy Ray get his forge going. And other stuff. Just because he's awesome. Pretty inspirational. That is for sure. Oh yeah, and I got the oiler working on this thing. I don't remember if I did anything on that since I worked on that. But it's operational now. And I got the oiler working on the other home light. The other home light doesn't have a tensioner, so it's, you know, hand tight. Make sure it's right. All right, well, I'm going to show this, and then I'll start putting it back together. Like I said, nothing major, just want to try to help if I can. So, yeah, I'll be back. Okay, so this is what it looks like when it's all back together. When it's all the way together. Your band goes underneath this thing and around the bottom. Hooks to this spring rod. And then it comes up and it goes around this piece here, if it's focusing. Yep. The end of the band goes up and around this. And then this screw. And then this screw goes here. And this is stationary. This isn't removable, I don't believe. And the rod goes through that piece and hooks into your deal there. And then, let's see. There's a spring. The spring that goes to this screw that wraps around, and then see that this part here is just like a tail, and then it goes up and it coils around this screw, and then it goes up here and under this and comes out over here, and then there's another coil there that doesn't go over nothing, and then there's a hole in the case, or in the whatever that is, in the motor itself. There's a hole right there, and I'm thinking that mine might be wrong. That might go around the other side of that screw, but anyway, that's where that spring comes out. And it looks like that's about it. This little piece here, inside here, goes, this is the front of the saw. So it goes, there's a tab right there that this spring goes behind. I can't run it. Yeah. So, I hope that helps. That's a side view. And has everything in the view. Should I try to zoom in? Let's try. Sorry about all the wobbling and the whatever. Let's zoom in. Hey, look at that, hey? Wow. This is the tab I was talking about. And it's held on by this screw also. Gosh, those cameras are amazing. This is the end of the band where it comes up and around that peg deal right there. But that's what it's supposed to look like when it's all back together. You? That's pretty fancy business. Okay, after further inspection, this, let's see here. Okay, here's the tail of the spring. Goes up, coils around this screw. And then it goes up, right? This piece right here is part of that spring, and it goes up, and it goes behind this little tab right there. It goes behind that, and then it goes up, and it goes under that spring. And mine was wrong. Right in here, if you can see the end of this screwdriver, that hole right there in the case, that spring comes out right here. Get the fuel tank out of the way here. Not real good. We're doing it though. Okay, so we'll zoom in on that. Okay, see how that spring comes, this deal comes under this spring over here, and then it coils around this screw. Mine was up here above. It goes through this side of the screw too to keep this flat, and then it goes around, and then it just goes the other end of the tail. This side of the tail tucks right in that hole in the case. Okay, so that's what this side looks like. And this is what this side looks like. And you can see, sorry, how this is flat now and holds this piece here that's also part of this screw. This screw holds it on also. Okay, so there it is. Sorry about all the wobbling. Like I said, I'm not much of the close-up guy. I think maybe it was Dennis Smith. Was it Dennis Smith that was wondering about the brake system? I can't remember. I can't remember. Well, anyway, I hope that helped. And let me know in the comments who it was, and and hopefully I'll have a piece of paper with me or something so I can write it down next time. So next time somebody suggests, wants to see something or whatever, request something or whatever. All right, well, it's just kind of a short one tonight. I hope everybody's doing good. I really do. I truly do. Hope everybody's having a good week. All right, everybody. Take care. Be safe. TazMan is rolling.